everyone, welcome to your guide on how to log into your Exhibitor zone. Firstly, go to uk.bettshow.com/welcome. Then hover over Exhibit and Sponsor. Next, hover over Exhibitor Zone. Once you've done that, click on Exhibitor Zone Login. Once you are here, scroll down and enter your username and password that your marketing contact would have received from us via email. Then click Login, which will take you to the homepage of your Exhibitor zone. If you've forgotten your password, click here. Then enter your email address and click Submit so that we can resend you an email. If you have not received your login details, please send us an email as well.